Controversial cross-dresser Idris Okoye, also known as Bobrisky, responds to claims that he's lying about being overseas. Bob is not in abroad. Bob that I know would have taken picture outside and post to show off. Bobrisky reacted to a social media commentator on Instagram, saying, "So posting picture abroad is now a big deal to some of you. I keep forgetting I'm not in your level. I came here to take care of my sanity, not to show off. Is that clear? If I start to post picture now, these same people will start saying you can't keep yourself private. You're cho too much. Confused humans." Recall that Bobrisky confirmed his temporary departure from Nigeria, citing the need to attend to his sanity and health. "Yes, I'm here to confirm I'm out of Nigeria temporarily. I need to attend to my sanity and my health," he wrote in a post on his Instagram handle. Recall that Bobrisky was initially sentenced on April 12th for naira abuse and released on August 5th, 2024. NaijaNews TV reports Bobrisky's departure from Nigeria a few days after he was released by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), following allegations that he had bribed the EFCC officials with 15 million naira to drop money laundering charges against him and allegedly paid correctional service officials for special treatment. He was later released on bail after he reportedly denied bribing the officials in his confessional statement. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.